Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Busties Breast Tape is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for anyone looking to achieve a flawless silhouette under any outfit, offering a secure and comfortable lift that traditional bras simply can't match, making it an indispensable item for achieving confidence and style in any situation. Number 5. Nippies Nipple Covers. Introducing Nippies Nipple Covers, the perfect solution for a smooth and seamless look. They offer discreet coverage and are designed for repeated use. Crafted from soft, sticky silicone, these pasties provide comfortable and secure adhesion. You'll forget you're even wearing them. Choose between our classic original circle style or the innovative lift style for a subtle enhancement. Both are designed to meet your needs. Each set comes with a convenient travel case, making them easy to take with you anywhere. Maintain your confidence on the go. Nippies are an essential addition to any wardrobe, providing reliable coverage under any outfit. Experience the freedom and comfort they offer. What we like. These nipple covers offer a reusable silicone design for long-term use. They come with a convenient travel case for on-the-go application. If you need a simple, discreet solution for covering nipples without a full tape, these are a great choice. What people say. They last all day even in the height of summer and being outside in the sun all day and being fairly sweaty. I've reused the same pair multiple times and the adhesive despite numerous times hand washing. I have very sensitive skin and despite the great grip it never bothers me. The coverage they provide is remarkably good, given how extremely thin they are. I can wear a form-fitting white t-shirt with just the nippies underneath, and my nipples aren't visible. Number 4. Busties Boob Tape Kit. Introducing the Busties Boob Tape Kit, your ultimate solution for breast support and lift. This kit is designed for a universal fit, ensuring comfort and confidence for all. Achieve a natural and effortless breast lift with our easy-to-use booby tape. It provides reliable support, especially for larger busts, giving you a seamless silhouette. Our kit includes bra nipple tape with petals and covers for complete discretion and comfort. You get everything you need for a secure and invisible hold. This breast tape is specifically designed for women seeking a comfortable and effective alternative to traditional bras. The nude color ensures it remains invisible under any outfit. With 12 pieces in each pack, you'll have plenty of tape for multiple uses. Enjoy long-lasting support and the freedom to wear any outfit with confidence. What we like. This kit is designed for ease of use and a universal fit, making it accessible for everyone. It also includes helpful petals and covers for added comfort and discretion. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for breast lift and support, especially for larger busts, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The tape has guidelines on the back so that it's easier to measure and cut at the right length. The stretchiness and flexibility of the tape makes the application process super simple and quick. The tape itself is a complete game changer. The first time that I wore it out was for a friend's birthday brunch. I wore a bodysuit that I had been dying to wear, and finally got the chance to show it off. The satin nipple covers are amazing. They stayed put and, most importantly, were invisible under my bandeau. The girls were well protected. Number 3. BearKig Double-Sided Fashion Tape. Tired of wardrobe malfunctions? Introducing a revolutionary way to keep your clothes and accessories perfectly in place all day long. This clear, double-sided tape offers a strong, invisible hold for fabrics. It's your secret weapon against slipping straps and shifting hemlines. Enjoy confidence with its all-day strength, ensuring your outfit stays put no matter the occasion. It's designed to move with you. Worry less about irritation. This tape is hypoallergenic, making it safe and comfortable even for sensitive skin. From formal events to everyday wear, it's the ideal solution for keeping your fashion choices flawless and secure. Get yours today. What we like. This option provides strong, all-day hold with a hypoallergenic formula, making it safe for sensitive skin. It's designed for invisible application on clothing and body. If you need a reliable way to secure garments or create a smooth silhouette without visible lines, this tape is ideal. What people say. Excellent adhesive. It adheres well to clothing and skin without being noticeable, lasts all day, and doesn't cause irritation. The tape has impressive staying power, keeping my clothes securely in place for hours, even during busy days. The tape is completely transparent, so it doesn't show through clothes. It works well with all types of fabric, even delicate ones. I also have extremely sensitive skin and an allergy to certain adhesives that manifests after a long time with them on, but I got nothing from these. These are great for evening gowns and keep everything together. Number 2. Mciotk Boob Tape Kit for Large Breasts. Tired of uncomfortable bras? Discover the ultimate solution for lifting and shaping your breasts. Our innovative tape provides invisible support for a natural look and feel. Achieve the perfect silhouette for any outfit. This body tape is designed to lift and shape, giving you the confidence to wear what you love. It's perfect for all cup sizes. Experience unparalleled comfort throughout your day. Our boob tape is gentle on your skin while providing a secure hold. You'll forget you're even wearing it. For added convenience and discretion, this kit includes nipple covers. Ensure a smooth finish under any clothing. It's a complete solution for your needs. Whether you have a smaller or larger bust, our tape is designed to work for you. It offers a reliable lift and support, accommodating A to G cups. Unlock a flawless appearance with this versatile boob tape. It's your secret weapon for achieving a smooth, lifted look under dresses, tops, and more. Get ready to turn heads. What we like. This kit is specifically designed to accommodate a wide range of cup sizes, from A to G, ensuring a good fit for many. It also includes nipple covers for added comfort and versatility. If you have larger breasts and are seeking effective lift and support with a complete package, this boob tape is a strong contender. What people say. This kit comes with everything you need to lift, hold, and separate. So you don't have to worry about anything falling down, or out with the strapless dresses on. The tape also provides some lift, which is good because I'm an A cup and now I don't look flat-chested. The color also matches my skin so it can't be seen when wearing flimsy and see-through tops. It definitely lasted all day and had the girls exactly where they needed to be. The tape never slipped off and never moved an inch. Number 1. TEAWOO Boob Tape Kit. Discover the ultimate solution for a flawless silhouette. Our innovative tape provides a secure and comfortable lift, empowering you to feel your best. From daring necklines to backless wonders, this tape offers unparalleled versatility. It moves with you, ensuring support and confidence no matter the occasion. Crafted with your comfort in mind, our tape adheres securely without causing irritation. Enjoy long-lasting hold that feels like a second skin. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a seamless look. Achieve the perfect shape and support you desire with ease. Say goodbye to wardrobe worries. This discreet solution provides invisible support, allowing you to wear any outfit with absolute confidence and freedom. Experience the difference of a product designed for your ultimate comfort and security. It's the perfect companion for any event or daily wear. What we like. This kit offers a complete solution with both breast lift tape and body tape, plus silicone breast pedals for added comfort and coverage. It's designed for versatile styling and support. If you're looking for a multi-purpose tape that can handle various fashion needs and provide a secure lift, this comprehensive kit is worth considering. What people say. It brings everything you need: 2 rolls of tape, scissors, meter, disposable nipple covers, and also silicone that can be reused. The tape is resistant, adapts to the movement, and does not peel off with the heat, but at the same time it is easily removed using oil or warm water, so it does not hurt the skin. It includes clear instructions with images, because at first I thought it would be complicated to put it on, but it was quite simple after the first time. It's comfortable, secure, and stayed in place all day and night. No annoying straps or digs, just smooth, confident support. The adhesive is strong but gentle, and it didn't irritate my skin at all. It worked perfectly every time. The tape is lightweight and comfortable, and doesn't feel stiff. It gives me a natural-looking lift under certain dresses or outfits I don't want to wear a bra under. The kit comes with everything you need with extras to make getting ready easier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.